Let me give you the real tea about being pregnant. You're gonna have to expect TMI. If y'all belly ain't too strong, do what you must. Hey my Jules, welcome back to my channel. Now you know I'm Jules Time, and over here we have a good time all the time. In today's video, I will be going through my second trimester, all the symptoms I had, what I noticed, and you know, if I had any cravings or if I had any cravings. This will be part of my fertility series. So if you're interested in all of that good stuff, please stay tuned, okay? So starting from week 13, because in the previous video, I did from week 1, or I did from ovulation all the way down to week 12, which we know is the first trimester. Some people do say your first trimester ends at week 13, starts at week 13. So there's a little discrepancy, but I'm gonna say my second trimester started at week 13, right? So week 13, what I noticed was I had extra discharge this week. Yes, a lot of women have extra discharge, but a lot of women don't talk about that on the internet. And that's what I don't like. Y'all are gatekeeping. Y'all ain't keeping it real. You need to be real when you're giving out information, because I was not expecting what I saw. Anywho, so that week I had extra discharge, no infection, just more discharge than usual, white creamy consistency. TMI, if y'all belly ain't too strong, do what you must. You know, I write everything down. I also felt some discomfort, but not enough to be concerned about. I had custard and cake this week as well. Yum, 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 yum. And constipate. Oh, child, let me tell you. Constipation. It is the most rudest, vile symptom of pregnancy. I have literally been constipated from, I think, week 13 till even the present day. Oh child. And obviously because I'm pregnant, you can't even be pushing the way you want to push, because you don't want to push too hard. Then it, oh my gosh, I think 1 week I drank olive oil and water, and that literally, after drinking that mixture, the poop came out effortlessly. It was so quick. But yeah, constipation is a real thing. You're going to be constipated, expect it. It's not going to feel nice, but what helps is prunes, dates, olive oil and water. Praying about it. You always go to the Lord in prayer, my babes. You always go to the Lord in prayer, okay? I wrote next, I was constipated for an entire night and day, so like 24 hours. Ooh. Results from the Down syndrome test came back and all was well, glory to God. Weren't going to do it, but sonographer kept asking, so I just gave in and did it anyways, right? Because I was getting scanned on my 12-week appointment, and they just kept on asking and asking, do you want it, do you want it, do you want it? And I was like, no. I thought, you know what, since you're persistent, right, might as well give me the test. So it came back the following week and everything was normal. This week I noticed my body, oh, let me give you the real tea about being pregnant. You're gonna have to expect the unexpected. Your whole aura changes, as in your whole smell, your whole everything, right? No one really talks about this, but your smell's gonna change. Unfortunately, I went for a period where my smell was just, ooh, I don't know if it's called horrendous or it was just giving what it's not meant to give, but it wasn't very nice. This week I wrote it down that my body odor was off. No matter how much I showered, how much I scrubbed, it was just off. And that was all due to hormones, okay? I also had tomato soup and fried chicken, which was delicious. But I didn't have any flutters this week, right? So no flutters at week 13. Week 14, breast felt a little sore on Sunday. Needed to poo. When I did poo, I noticed it looked like a goat poo. Small and round pellets. So although I had the feeling that I had needed to poo, the poo wasn't even giving what it was meant to give. It was so tiny, literally pellets. Coffee tasted vile this week. I did not like the taste of coffee this week. It was horrid. It wasn't my thing. On the Tuesday morning, I wasn't able to poo. Metallic taste is currently back. So, you know, I've been saying the metallic taste comes and goes, and there we go. It really does come and go. More breast tenderness here and there, still cramping here and there. I can't lie, I did cramp for quite a while. My good sistren, I cramped. Week 15, I was more exhausted. I was able to go to the toilet more frequently though, so I'll give you that. So we got week 15. Woke up on Tuesday morning to swollen breasts. Experienced what's called the quickening, a little flutters. So there we go, and little flutters that week, right? Week 16, frequent urination. Downloaded baby heartbeat app to see if I could hear Miracle's heartbeat. Sometimes detected, sometimes it didn't. Oh no. So week 17, feeling flutters. Boom, bam, bam. We love that. Not liking how food tastes recently, no matter how nice the ideas are. Unfortunately, wasn't given what I meant to give. This particular week, I seem to have lost my cooking flair. Nothing I make tastes good. Now, you know, guys, I can cook. And that's not to brag or boast, but I can cook. This particular week, I think I made curry chicken. Guys, it tasted disgusting. OMG, this week, my curry chicken was just not hitting. And I did not cook for a long time due to that. Like, it wasn't giving what it was meant to give, right? Had my first private scan today. Got loads of pictures and videos and a sneak peek for 3D. So this was our first private scan, which was so lovely. Found out I had a posterior placenta, which means my placenta is in the back, so I'll be feeling all the movement. So you know, if you have the I think it's anterior placenta, well, the one that's in the front, you don't feel baby's movements as much. Everything is perfect, glory to God. Sonographer is happy with baby's health. We saw kidney, bladder, spleen, head top, heartbeat, everything. So we love that, right? Week 18 pregnant, had a little cry of a pizza in the shower as I had eaten chicken and chips already and didn't want to have more fatty food the same day. Emotions, eh? And I caught a little cold that week, so yeah. Week 19, had round ligament pain for the first time. I literally felt like my world was crumbling. I rushed to the toilet to see if there was any blood, but it was clear. No blood. I just laid in bed until I felt better. Guys, round ligament pain is no joke. Do not let no one play off as, oh, is this a little... It's painful. It's pain. I don't like it. It's painful. And that round ligament pain happened on the 14th of January. Notice a pattern. Miracle wakes up early in the morning, loads of movement, and then very quiet throughout the day. Very gassy, as in, I was farting left, right, and center. Hopping left, right, and center, up the road, down the road. I was very gassy. And I still had the cold that I caught from week 18. And then I felt more round ligament pain on the 19th of January, right? So week 20 pregnant. Miracle has become very active, feeling loads of movements. Had my NHS 20-week scan. Sonographer said Miracle was pouting, laugh out loud. The man said, your baby is pouting. Loads of pitch of Miracle's organs, but only got one printed of Miracle for £3.50. Miracle's heartbeat was around 145 beats per minute. According to Google, this heart rate is a boy. According to Google, it said we had sex last night. It won't. Sex and pregnancy is completely different to sex when you're not pregnant, alright? Sleeping on my stomach became uncomfortable at week 20, so I was able to sleep comfortably on my stomach until week 20. Miracle moves a lot more when I eat something they enjoy. So anything fatty, like pizza, anything sweet, spicy, or a fruit. That is Miracle's go-to. Week 21. Craving blue ribbons. Babe got me some Kit Kat blue ribbon and squares, sugar overload. Smelliness is back this week. Even when I wash, hormones really be hormoning. Went cinema on Thursday and Miracle was active throughout the entire movie. I think I had the the full-on shebang snacks. Like I had popcorn, ice cream, everything. So Miracle just loves a bit of sugar rush, right? Week 22, I literally fell on my birthday. Vomited in the, listen guys, you know what on my birthday? Big fat vomit. I chucked it up. This was around 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning. I was vomiting, right? I had fried chicken leg and rice and peas and vomited all back up. Had breakfast in bed, which was fine. Didn't vomit then. Since Sunday night, my boobs have been on fire. And I have some heartburn. So, okay. It's really good to keep a log because you really don't really remember it, right? Week 23, nothing new, no cravings, but metallic taste is back. Boobs hurt every now and again. Woke up on Thursday with a blocked nose. Think I saw my stomach move. Had another private scan on Friday. Got more pictures and videos. And 4D scan. Everything is perfect. Glory to God, right? 24, nothing new this week. All the same. Week 25, on Monday, made some runny eggs, which gave me food poisoning. Went to triage. Miracle was perfectly fine. I heard their heartbeat. Besides that, entire week was fine. Very smooth pregnancy. And week 26, which concludes your second trimester, being frequently urinating in the day and now in the night. Last pees around 2 a.m. Caught Miracle's movement on video. Miracle's kicks are super strong now. Hubby can now feel Miracle's kicks. Had Chinese twice and Morley's, but I didn't enjoy it at all. Had McDonald's, which I absolutely loved. The end of our second trimester, all my symptoms, how I was feeling, and what took place. I hope you enjoyed these videos. I am so glad I wrote them down because, you know, some of these things I really don't remember them. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe and share. I'm Jules Time, and over here we have a good time all the time. And I will see you shortly. Okay, my Jules? Bye!